Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to remove liked videos on YouTube. So first, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you are using. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use Google Chrome, okay? Then after that, go to youtube.com. And then here, once you open or logged in your account, you can see on the left side of your screen, there's a section says like videos. So you just want to click on that. And then here, you can see all of your liked videos. So if you want to delete or remove one of these or some of this, just click on this three little dots on the right side of the video, and then here you can see remove from liked videos. So you can see that video is removed from my liked videos. So you just need to do that again and all of this if you want to delete all of your liked videos. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.